The conditional expectation of a random variable x given another random variable y is a function f of y, which equals e of x given y, and is defined by f of little y equals e of x conditioned on y equals little y. This definition is a little bit unintuitive at first because we're used to an expected value equaling a number, but in this case the expected value actually is a function of a random variable. So let's look at an example. Consider rolling two six-sided dice. We'll let x be the value of the first die and y be the total. We want to find the expected value of y given x. So let's define x2 to be the value of the second die, just for convenience. And so y is going to equal x plus x2. The expected value of x2 is e of x2 is the sum of all values it could be, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, divided by the total number of outcomes it can have, 6, which is 3.5. So to compute the expected value of y given x, we can plug in points for x. So for example, the expected value of y given x equals 1 is the expected value of x plus x2 given x equals 1. And then by linearity of expectation, this is the expected value of x given x equals 1 plus the expected value of x2 given x equals 1. Now, x2 and x are independent, so this is just the expected value of x2, which is 3.5. And the expected value of x given x is 1 is just 1, because x has to be the number 1 in that case. So we get 4.5. If we condition on x equals 2, we're looking at the expected value of y given x equals 2 is the expected value of x plus x2 given x equals 2. Again, by linearity, this is the expected value of x given x equals 2 plus the expected value of x2 given x equals 2. And the expected value of x conditioned on x is 2 has to be 2. And the expected value of x2 given that x equals 2, well, they're independent, so this doesn't matter. And the expected value of x2 is always 3.5, so we get 5.5. And in fact, no matter what number we plug in for x, for any x, in fact, from 1 to 6, we could do the same computation, and we're going to get x plus 3.5. And therefore, the expected value of y given x as a function of x is x plus 3.5.